Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Y'all, I'm trying to get caught up on my mail. It is Ice Cream Beauty Box. Y'all know this is my favorite box. Hands down. I think I've been getting this, gosh, is it 5 years now? I don't know. A long time. Favorite box. It's $25 a month per box, shipped to you. Nothing more, nothing less. They have a bag. The bag is $12.75, but it's also plus shipping and tax. So you get 5 and a minimum 5 full-size items in here. Sometimes you get 6 or 7 if they're smaller items and they're bundled. You're always guaranteed a palette. It could be an eyeshadow palette. It could be a face palette, a lip palette, some sort of palette. These guys have been amazing to work with. I generally renew my subscription for 3 months at a time, which gives you a little discount, like $1 off a month. I think instead of $75, it's $72. But don't quote me on that. It's been a hot minute since I looked. I did email them and told them I was going to have to be canceling when that ran out, and was wondering if they could put me on PR, and she said she'd work with me, so that's awesome. All right, here's what it looks like. Always adequate packing material in there. Sue, I see you laughing. Okay, so you also get a little insert here that talks to you about the month. There's usually a theme. Of course, it's Pink October for breast cancer awareness. Research moves us forward. In honor of Breast Cancer Awareness Month, our boxes are going pink. We will be donating a portion of all proceeds to the Breast Cancer Research Fund. Breast cancer is one of the most common cancers in women worldwide. Although it's less common, it can also affect men. I personally do know a man who had breast cancer, and he died from cancer. Detecting breast cancer in its early stages greatly improves the chances of successful treatment. I don't think there's anybody watching this who doesn't know one or many women who have had to deal with breast cancer, or maybe even have lost friends or family to breast cancer. Friends, family, yes. Regular breast self-exams and mammograms are important for early detection. Some risk factors for breast cancer include age, family history, certain gene mutations, hormone replacement therapy, and lifestyle factors like smoking and alcohol consumption. Yes, that greatly improves your chances of breast cancer. Survival rates vary depending on the stage at which breast cancer is detected and treated. Early stage breast cancer is also often has a high survival rate. That's why it's important to get checked regularly. Sorry guys, it's been a long day. Okay, October we wear pink is the theme. Got my little cheat sheet with my MSRPs on all my items. Let's just get into it. All right, first item's coming out of the side here. Moon Slice Beauty. All right, let's see what this is. Hope in Bloom palette. Nope, that ain't this one. Liquid Blush by Moon Slice Beauty, $19. Continuing our collaboration with Moon Slice Beauty, they have created a brand new liquid blush. They are in pink boxes in honor of Breast Cancer Awareness Month. A little bit goes a long way. Make sure to blend out with a brush. Ooh, liquid blushes scare me. I generally don't use them because they scare me. Oh, she's pretty. Look at that. Honestly, that'd be like a beautiful lipstick color. Look how pretty that is. Oh, she's pretty. She's pretty. She's pretty. Let's see what the shade is called. Hopefully it's on the box. I didn't see it on the bottle. No, don't really see. That's weird. Okay. Just the ingredients. Okay, well, that's pretty. That is a pretty pink. I may have to try that. Okay, so that was $19. We're already getting close to the price of the box on the first item. All right, next one, Shouno Beauty. We're very familiar with this brand due to this box. This is Pink Duochrome Duo by Shouno Beauty, $20. This has become one of the most requested brands in our box. Their duochromes are out of this world. We collaborated with Shouno Beauty to bring you this special pink duochrome combination. This, of course, pairs perfectly with their palette, so we haven't gotten that far. I try to save the palette for the last little piece. Oh, girlfriend, she's gorgeous. Oh my God. Look at that. That's pretty. Love it, love it. I'm trying to get to something. Aim it up at the light. Look at that. And it does come with a little spongy brush. Oh, that's pretty. We're going to swatch that because, yes, ma'am, we are. All right. First one I'm swatching is going to be the light shade over here. Sorry, it does have that mirror. Oh, she is pretty. So let's deepen that up. Oh yeah, she's gorgeous. There it is. Could probably be like inner corner, inner eyelid. Oh man, look at that shift. Okay, let's get the other one, the darker shade. They're buttery soft. That's so pretty. These could be toppers, honestly. Wow. They build really nicely. They could go on really light, or they could build over like a color underneath. There they both are. That's pretty. Wow. Okay, so that's those two colors. Ah, it's pretty. Okay, Shouno Beauty. That was $20. We are well over the price of the box at this point for value, for MSRP. All right. This is an Indie Beat Cosmetics. Ooh, Plumping Lips. Amped Plumping Lip Oils by Indie Beats Cosmetics, $17. First time ever we're featuring this amazing brand. IBC is a women of color owned business that merges music and makeup. This lip oil is bubblegum scented, ooh, and very hydrating. This is a plumping product, so tingling sensations are completely normal. Wow. Okay, and the color is called Cake. Oh, bubblegum flavored. Ooh. Let's see what it looks like. I'm not going to put it on because I haven't eaten dinner yet. I don't want it on there. Okay, it's pretty clear. It's just a nice lip oil. A little bit pinkish color to it. I'm going to smell it. Smells good. That's yummy. Okay, that's pretty. Here's what it looks like again. I got to eat dinner. I don't want to have this on there on my lips while I eat dinner. Okay, so again, that was $17. One last product, and then we will get to the palette. Okay, another ZC Cosmetics. All right. This is a liquid glitter eyeshadow. $24 is the MSRP. Glitter shadow is more of a topper than a shadow. No glitter glue required to use this product. Apply it over other shadows for an extra dazzling eye look, or if you're feeling adventurous, add it on top of your highlight for a euphoric look. Oh, wow. Okay, I have a glitter one. I don't see there's a color. It says glitter eyeshadow. So the nice thing about ZC is they shrink wrap stuff. I don't want to bust into it because I already have a couple of their liquid eyeshadows. I actually subscribed to ZC. It was about $40 a month for their monthly subscription. So I do have a bunch of stuff. I want to make sure I keep this intact so I can put it in y'all's giveaway collection, which someday I hope to be able to start doing again. Okay, so that brings us back to the palette. The palette. There's always a palette in the box. There's always a palette in the bag. Okay, this is Beauty Moon Cosmetics collaboration with EYESCREAM Beauty. Let's see what they have to say for it. Hope in Bloom. $35. We have collaborated with Beauty Moon Cosmetics to bring you all this special palette. This palette is a tribute to strength, resilience, and of course, hope. Palette contains a mix of mattes, shimmers, and duochromes. A very special thank you to Beauty Moon Cosmetics for working with us on this special palette. So it's shrink wrapped, you guys. Oh, and I can't like just show you the back because there's no colors on the back. So I'm going to have to bust the shrink wrap open, which kind of makes me sad. I have so many eyeshadow palettes, you guys. I have a tendency right now of not keeping the ones that I'm getting simply because I have so many eyeshadow palettes that I'm not using. I have so many eyeshadow palettes I'm not using, which makes me feel terrible. So I don't want to, you know, I don't mind like the 2-shade ones. Those are easy. I pop them out. Can put them into like a Z palette or just use them the way they are. Okay, so it's got a sleeve. I'm afraid I'm going to send it flying. A little bit fumble fingers. Okay, here we go. Hope in Bloom. I'm sure there is. Yes, there is. Oh, guys, so pretty. There's a mirror. I got to cover that. Shade Saver as well. Got that off. Y'all ready for some pink for the month of October? Look how pretty that is. Oh my gosh. Oh, so pretty. So pretty. Wow. I mean, wow. I may have to rethink whether I want to give this up or save it. That's gorgeous. Good job, Beauty Moon Cosmetics and Ice Cream Beauty. That's gorgeous. So I have a really pink palette from Jeffrey. It's his Pink Religion. Some of the colors in there, you put them on and they kind of surprise you as to how they go on different than they look in the palette. So I might have to keep this one because I do love me some pinks. We'll think about that. But I don't want to swatch it yet because I got to look through my collection. If I got a lot of pink, I don't want to waste something. So, okay, that is our 5 items. So that was $35. The duochrome here is $20. The lip oil, the plumping lip oil, $17. This Beauty Moon Cosmetics liquid blush is $19. And then, of course, we had the ZC glitter liquid eyeshadow, which is really a nice topper. It's $24. So, great box again. And like I said, they said they'd be working with me. So, I think that's really great. I did tell them that as far as I knew, I was pretty sure that I was good for October. But beyond that, I wasn't sure where in the, like I said, I had prepaid for 3 months. I think this was either going to be the second of the 3 months or the third, probably, maybe the end of it. So we'll see. But they said they were going to try to work with me. So I think that's amazing. I love this. I love this box, you guys. Hands down, I love this box. So let me know your thoughts down below. There's those duochromes again. I think they could be really toppers. They do build a little bit, but I would probably topper them over some sort of matte shade to really make them pop. So, oh, they're pretty, 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 pretty. I don't know if that catches it better or not, but let me know your thoughts down below, guys. Did try the Tom Ford. If you didn't see that unboxing, that was in my Mask Monday unboxing. I've tried it twice now, and it's great for like tight lining, but not so great for making a wing because, you know, it's like a crayon. It's soft, and you just can't get those tight wings. So I did that with liquid, and then I tight lined with the Tom Ford gel eyeliner, and it's so creamy. It's very nice. So okay, thanks guys so much. We've got a couple more items that I got to get caught up on yet this week. Life's a little crazy. If you got a chance to, thank you for watching my Mask Monday. If you haven't, you want to know what's going on, please watch that Mask Monday ladies video. There's a lot of chaos going on in my life. It's not been a great year. It's not been a great month. I got a lot going on. And I had asked, and I'll ask again, you guys want to sit down and do a live some evening or on the weekend? I can certainly do that. Let me know if you would participate. And if so, what time works for you? I don't know what time zone y'all are in. But give me an idea. For me, it would only be evenings or weekends, and I'm Central Time Zone. So, all right, guys, thank you so much. Like I said, appreciate your views. Make sure you click the subscribe if you haven't, or verify you're subscribed. YouTube's doing its thing again, unsubscribing people. So have a great one, guys. I will see you in my next video. We have BoxyCharm to unbox, and then I have another order to unbox with you guys. All right, and yeah, there's a story behind that, okay? All right, see y'all. Bye, guys.